Have you ever gotten this message before when opening a file in Illustrator? Basically, it's saying that some fonts are missing and the text is going to be affected. They're just going to use a substitute font. What you can do is you can copy and paste the name of the missing font. Command C to copy. Looks like this one's missing too. I'm going to hit OK. And let's see what this looks like. So right off the bat, I'm thinking this was not the font that the student wanted to use. Probably not. So I'm going to actually double click it. See what the name was. Oh, this is actually California Medium. And then let's see what this one is. Here's the one I copy and pasted, the Access Extra Bold. So I'm going to go ahead and Google search it, Command V for paste. And there's lots of fonts that you can download it for free. You start becoming more familiar with different font websites. I use, oh, this would not be good. Let's try this one. Okay, great. And you can click it and download it. Great. I am on a Mac, so I do need to install this font into my MacBook. So I just need to double click it. And now all I have to do is choose Install My Font. And then that should really do it. Let's see if it worked. Great, I see it there. Access, it's now here. So let's go back to Illustrator, and magically the font changed, and that was the font that she intended. And then you do the same for the other one as well. Now the problem is that a lot of people do not like downloading fonts. It's a lot of work, and they might be worried that their computer might get a virus. So what you should do is, after you have a font, because you will do research for this project and you will find a font, a new one, but other students in this class are not going to want to download it. I'm not going to want to download it. And then when you send it off to potential interview, the person hiring you is not going to want to download it either. So once you have it, you want to select it and make sure you're finished typing. If you're not sure, it's actually a good idea to copy and paste it. I'm going to hold Option, click and drag. Oops. There we go. And just leave it on the side of the page so that you still have it, so it's still there. Oops. Not mean to do that. Let's try that one more time. Copy and paste. There we go. Great. And just put it over on the side. So this way you still have it. If you ever need, if something was misspelled, you can still change it. But for your document, select the font. Then you need to go to Type, Create Outlines. What it does is that it turned it into basically artwork that you could have drawn with your pen tool. What's kind of neat about it, it's now vectorized. You could even redesign it a little bit if you wanted. You have that ability now, because it's not. Now the problem is, if you misspelled something, well, you can't go back and change that. But anyways, this is how you should save your text when you are finished with your file. Be sure to select all of your text, go to Type, Create Outlines. That way, anyone who opens it, they're not going to have to worry about your font not being there.